and I can assure you that I'm definitely back. Yeah. I just wanna know. Thought it was love, but just so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you know with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mizole for those who do not know me, and this is my channel. If it is your first time coming across my face, I hope you like it here, and you definitely do consider subscribing. Guys, I have not been touching a sabbatical, and it's almost been here since the last time I posted, and I can assure you that I'm definitely back. Number one. Number two, oh, we have so much to debrief and catch up on. Number three, I hope you guys can hear me because it's a bit loud outside. But like a bit, but obviously I choose not to talk about problems. We will be catching up. Yeah, I don't know, like izophelela phela vlog. I'm just gonna try and incorporate things in that I am trying to get back in my Zoom. It's currently Feb. It's on Friday the 13th. I'm saying Valentine's, guys, and there's nothing to showcase. I did want to go. I wanted to go on a hike, but I don't know who I'm going to go with. I'm I don't know. I'm not sure, but I just need to touch grass. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing good, and welcome to my channel. Or welcome back for Abandaze. Bye. It's not an OOTD, but I guess what I'm currently wearing. For now, I'm going to work later on. I have a submission as well, so I'm busy trying to generate that. Well guys, so but yeah, I have a dog. But I have a dog. This is my OOTD for now. My hair's looking a bit cute. Installation 8 Kisana. Installation who this? Yeah. Anyways, we have our Crocs. H&M. I don't know, it's my cousin brother's thing. Yeah. I want to show my dog. Yes, and we don't have a name for it, but Luna. I think how they are not supporting that at all. You guys, so Kuluma. Yeah. Hopefully I do something interesting tomorrow. I hope so I can include him. And you guys, yung into yamihlangene ngizavenza ngicacisele kahle and nizobona nani. Okay, Miss Mel was so happy. Yeah, not that I'm sad now, but you get the gist. Anyways, bye. Hello guys, we're here too. I don't know.
On my knee, flawless begin. Hop off a chick, barely get rich. Let's do no more, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my jeans. She not a dress, you know my mess. I eat up.
Hi guys, hope everyone is doing good. Today is Sunday the 15th. I'm trying to visit the meaning I can't see to get what I mean. Anyways, I wanted to show you my OOTD. I come from church. I am currently cooking, and I don't know if I'm gonna take you with me through that process. I'm gonna show you my outfit of the day, and then I'm gonna go and change. Those will pair up and be more comfortable. Yeah. I hope you guys are doing good. I'm trying to get back into my zone, if I'm being quite honest. I'm also just trying to get out of the funk, right? So yeah, slowly but surely. Hey, I've been a para. But so I don't know if I'm gonna take you guys through the process of cooking. I'm gonna show you the final product. Yeah, I'm not even I'm not even in the mood to be doing this right now, but anyways, let's show you my OTD and then I'm gonna go and change so I can cook properly. Yeah, my laws. My thing doesn't fall. This is the outfit of the day. Okay, I was wearing high heels, but now I'm wearing so I already came in the shorts today, but this is my outfit of the day, yeah, for church. I feel good, look good, smell good. Big mama, no kids. Anyways, so let's do a tiny what. This is a gift I got for my 21st birthday. I did mention in my TikTok that I put it down and just and I ate. My babe, you ate, honey. This is another gift I got for my 21st birthday. I got this from Mr. Price. I got this from Fushini, and these are from Woolworths. Yeah, guys. See you when I see you. I'm also in the process of making banana muffins. Yeah, guys. The last time I made banana bread, it is quite horrible. So, crossing fingers for the best. Yeah, let's roll it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nizela for those who do not know me, and this is my channel. Hi guys, it's a new day into the vlog. Oh, here's my dog. Anyways, it's a new day into the vlog. I just washed my face. I have amazing news for everyone. I'm moving to Res today. Today's move out day. So I think I should vlog that and get the ball rolling in terms of that. Yo, I'm just winging it, to be quite honest, and as guys. But yeah, I'll tag you guys along with the news alone. I am so excited for this new journey. Yeah, I can put it like that. And I'm just excited that I'm getting back into the zone of documenting my life. Guys, I have I was banning flu, but I feel like my dog has flu. Anyways, so yeah, guys, I'll take you guys along. So it's no matter which, but I'm so excited. Please don't mind the situation in my life, but I'm really just super excited. Yeah, see you when I see you. Bye, Luna. I used to getting all confused. Give me a minute, let me dilute. I don't know why I tried so hard. Honestly, just really struggling to find what to wear. Move in with me all today. Is that essential? I doubt. But I think something is cooking. Okay, let me try and put it together. I hate using the front camera, so bye-bye, guys. I'm going to try and well, it's really messy up because I was packing, and then guys, what about the acne? I really don't know what's going on with my skin, but I honestly feel like it's because of my hair. So I think my hair and my face work together. So whenever my hair is dirty, like my face reacts to that. So I'm thinking to call it installation, either install it straight or reinstall it. I'm not sure. Yeah. Hi guys, I am done with sort of everything. So I'm gonna show you guys my OTD. I'm gonna show you my bags. I just have two for now. Let me just show you. Yeah, that's what I have so far. There are a few tote bags, etc. I haven't packed my bags yet, so I just want to show you my OTD. This is my OOTD. So the watch is from Lisa. The bag is from Zara at the top. From the Fix. The shoes I got a while back at Jet, and my shoes are from Woody's. my OOTD. I'm already a bit bored by my hair, but yeah.
Just a minute. See, I gave you faith, turned you down, and can't deny it. Now I'm all alone, and my joys turn moment. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you.
Hi guys, welcome back. In the previous clips, this other cricket golf club situation is in Roundabout. Very nice. The smooth, okay, I didn't show you the smoothie guys, but I'm see the smooth is right now. I'm on my way to Errands. I'm sure you can see my stuff at the back there, but I'm gonna show you the empty room when I get there, and then I don't know, I don't have a lot of time because I practice today, and sorry, it's Friday today. You're probably Friday. I'm so excited. My hair is a mess, and I can just get it together very fast because we need to damage control because I've been down so bad. Oh, I'm up. But yeah, guys, I will speak to you again on this errand.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dirty. I feel like in the nighttime. Watch what she do when the light shine. Drunk niggas tryna talk in the strip club. Shorty silhouette up like a dollar sign. Caught up, that's just how a nigga brought up. Blow ones for your leaning ass niggas. Straight bells for your tuning ass niggas. My niggas bigger than the bounce. Roll up in the bitch, still smell like a house. Right quick. Tight jeans on, so you feel my shit. Tell me something good, baby.
Overwhelmed, very overwhelmed. I'm going home now. I'm gonna do a mini haul for you. I got a cute bottle. I'm gonna go home and I don't know also like how I'm gonna maneuver around the situation that I want to go to church tomorrow and it's close when I'm here. Hey, I don't know guys, but guys, I'm back from the mall. We're gonna go now. Then I'm gonna go drop off my stuff because I'm gonna home on Thailand. I just hope that this place won't disappear this time around. But yeah, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Tata Logrore. Musa, you say it. When I have money, you know. On day 2 of packing, well, moving in. This is how we're looking. Ngatele ini. Oh, Titi gone.
This was like I feel like in the nighttime. Watch what she do when the light shine. Drunk niggas tryna talk in a strip club. Shorty silhouette look like a dollar sign. Caught up. That's just how a nigga brought up. Blow ones for your loony ass niggas. Straight bells for your loony ass niggas. My niggas bigger than the bounce. Roll up in the bitch, still smell like a house.
Do one thing.
Right quick. Tight jeans on.
Everybody want
My
to.
shit tight. Tell me something good, baby. Tell me something good. I'ma bring it to the hood, baby. I'ma bring it back to the hood. This was like I feel like in the nighttime. I feel like she's running in the night.
There you go. Okay. Cheers. Do you want the cup now? We are on a break for packing, from packing. Very dummy. We're back to square one, Kesana. Back to square one. I'm going to try and set up Konkela and then I'll. Okay, so we have a lamp here. I don't think I showed you guys before, but I'm going to bring up the build, I guess, and build it. So yeah, let's see that. Okay, I'm in the process of doing build the build, I guess, and one thing I believe in is that I know it's really I said to them. So and I've never mind. Worked like a charm. I need to almost buy. I know good for me. Anyways, let's fix this. Let's fix this. Before we fix anything, sorry, let's do over. Please do not mind the mess. Please. Do a hole now, okay? Everything I got, a jet, and some I got in here. Let's try and move this. Then I know my team. So I got a pillow. I got hangers because isn't in as was sitting hang. I got a fitted sheet. I got this to shower. Got from Pep. I got a duvet cover from Pep as well. I got flip flops from Jet. And then I got like a piece Colgate. Oh, I love this, love it. Got that as well. And then, oh guys, the stuff's a show. Would you believe? You would never believe I got this. I got it in Pet and it was only 150 guys. It looks so cool. It's giving typos. Unfortunately, cool. Look at that background. Like I'm so distracted. Actually, and then this is the duvet inner. I'm not gonna show you guys the photos. I'll put that up. I'm gonna show you my progress so far, but today I look like because I'm going to put my suitcases on the bed now. I'll show you properly like when I'm done. But this is how we look so far. For now, rather. Yeah. Let's keep it rolling.
I can feel like in the nighttime. Watch what she do when the light shine. Drunk niggas tryna talk in the strip club. Shorty silhouette look like a dollar sign. Caught up, that's just how a nigga brought up. Blow ones for your loony ass niggas. Straight bells for your toony ass niggas. My niggas bigger than the bounce. Roll up in the bitch, still smell like a ounce. Right quick. Tight jeans on, so you feel my shit. Tell me something good, baby. Tell me something good, shawty. I'm bringing to the hood, baby. I'm bringing back to the hood, shawty. This I can feel like in the nighttime. Bust it up for shorty when the light shine.
This is how we're currently looking, guys. Yeah, I'm trying to wrap it up because the time is this is the time now. So I want to wrap it up. Yeah. Love my button so much. Anyways, that's cool again. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog. I'm currently on my way so I just wanted to close off this vlog because I'm going to start a new vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm so back, guys. I am still back. I'm not OTT, but anyways, I'm going to work now. Bye.